Hello! Today I would like to present you how to make copy of my RFID access control tag that I'm using for opening door to the restricted access, and it is presenting like this. With use of this absolutely beautiful device that I recently purchased from China, and here you've got the model number just in case you would be interested. You can go with a very simple device that is just designed for RFID, but I purchased more comprehensive model that is supporting also NFC. Here we can take a look, and as you can see, it should also support some cards that are being restricted and protected from copying, but mine is a very basic and do not require any of that. With this set, we also got a couple of our RFID tags, and as you can see, they are very similar to the one that I've got. But for my use case, I would like to use card that looks like this, and afterwards I'm going to be printing on it my information, so it's going to be absolutely beautiful. This is what we've got in our set. With those RFID tags, they are working with different frequency, and I've got absolutely no idea which one is that. But with this unit, we will be able to read it, and it's going to be telling us exactly what kind of frequency we've got. And in that case, we are going to be purchasing exactly the same one, but I'm pretty sure that this is the most common, like a 13.5 megahertz, and I'm pretty sure those that we've got in our set are going to be working just fine. So let's do the unboxing, and we've got some user manual, we've got some QR codes, so you are welcome to scan them, but basically it is going to be extra simple. We've got the USB-C cable with the adapter, very nice. And here is our real beauty. Here we've got our reading window, our model, and it is being powered by 4 AAA batteries. Here is the absolutely beautiful battery box. I highly recommend you checking my video about it, and as you can see, I use a lot of those batteries. Yeah, that was a great buy. So we go like this. We are going to be closing it down, and as you can see on the screen, we've got information that we should only use it in a good faith, and this is exactly what I'm doing because I'm allowed to use it. Okay, and this is what we see. We've got beautiful screen. It is not a touch screen, but we can select it using those buttons. Here we've got read, write, edit, detect, simulate. So we can basically make like a copy into the memory. But we are interested in the RFID. So we go here, okay. We've got the smart clone, frequency. We are going to be pressing the red, and we are going to be touching our source. So I will touch it here, and I will press the read button, and it should go through all the frequency. Let me first do it without the card. And as you can see, it is scanning frequency, read fail, and that's because we haven't it. So I'm touching it, I go with read. And as you can see, we've got a read successfully. And I was incorrect because it is 125 kilohertz, so it nicely detects. So I'm not sure if those are in that frequency, but let's give it a try. So we've got it in the memory, and here we've got our right button. So let's touch our card here, and press the write. And it is writing, and we've got write successfully, as you can see. Let me turn it off. Let me power it on. Okay, let's go to the read. And I will touch it here. I will press read. And as you can see, it is nicely read back. So as you can see, it is presenting absolutely beautiful. We've got the 9F. I will go back with this one. Hit read, and as you can see, we've got the same value. So basically, we make an absolutely beautiful copy. So this is how simple it is with this absolutely beautiful device. So let's give it a try. We are ready to give it a try. And it works. As you were able to see, our device worked perfectly, and we make identical copy, and we also change our form factor, so I can put it into my badge holder and just touch it to open door to the restricted access. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.